Hello everyone. I welcome you all for the lecture series videos of hydraulics and pneumatics. In the previous uh, video, we have discussed about the applications of direction control valve in the machines with the help of circuit. For that, we have discussed shaping machine or sawing machine or cutting machine circuit incorporated with the direction control valve we have discussed in the previous video. In this video, we are going to discuss about the uh, pilot actuation mechanisms used in the direction control valve. So that is called a pilot operated direction control. So we are going to have an elaborate discussion about the pilot operated direction control valve. We need to discuss about the construction and its operation and the necessity of pilot operation. Finally, applications of pilot operated direction control. So let us have a deep dive into the presentation. So probably the pilot operation, which ensures that uh, when the operation system pressure uh, is is done by means of fluids, pressurized fluids, rather than the labor, then it is called a pilot operated valve. So this method is very much effective, especially we are having a large forces are needed to shift the valve. For example, the landing gear of aircraft. So the landing gear of the aircraft and the wheel will be made open and closed. So the structure is a massive structure which requires lot of force to make an actuation of the valve, since very large valves are needed to make an actuation. So by means of manual force or labor force, which cannot be executed well. So for such kind of applications, whenever we are having a large forces, we may use this pilot operation mechanisms to actuate the valves. And the second thing is remote operation. So whenever, wherever we need to remotely activate the valves. So we are in different locations. By giving signals, we need to actuate that valve. Then those kinds of valves are called a remote operated valve. So for safety applications or tight physical factors, for example, in nuclear reactors, we need to control the flow rate of reactant fluid. So since the environment is highly radioactive, hazardous, we cannot go the chamber and operate the valve. In such kind of applications, we may remotely actuate the valve, which will make open and closing of the valve. So this is the sectional photograph which indicates uh, the pilot operated direction control valve. In this figure, in this photograph, we can see that the bottom of valve is as usual. It is the direction control valve, which is the direction of the fluid is changed with the help of spool. At the center, the spool is there. The spool is subjected to a spring force, and we are going to give the oil pressure to move the spool. So the corresponding ports will open. At the top half, we have a pilot control valve, which will be actuated by means of solenoid coils. So first, we need to energize the solenoid coil. So the solenoid coil is energized. It will create a magnetic field. That magnetic field attracts the iron core. So by if the iron core moves, the pressurized oil flows and it enters inside the pilot portion of the valve. So which will change the position of the spool. So the corresponding ports will be opened and it allows the fluid to the particular cylinder, which will make extension and retraction of the cylinder. So hence no manual force or lever mechanisms used in the valve. Only we are allowing the pressurized fluid to change the position of the spool. So this type of valve is called a pilot operated direction control valve. So these are all the references for my presentation. One is uh, Fluid Power, authored by Anthony Esposito, published by Pearson Education, New Delhi, in the year 2003. The second reference is Fluid Mechanics and Hydraulic Machines, authored by R.K. Bansal, published by Lakshmi Publications, New Delhi, in the year 2021. So in this lecture series video, we have made an detailed discussion on the pilot operated valve. So this valve can be actuated with the help of pilot pressure, and various applications of the valve also discussed in the video. For example, nuclear reactor, hazardous zone, and thermal environment. So we are using this valve for all applications. So I hope this video is useful for you. Thanks for watching.